Imagine being able to control dice. The Sonic dice allows to do just that. $100 years ago, social dice was created. Control the number of the dice by using shaking. Takuya Yoshizawa created flash dice in 1976 based on the principle. Now I present you with latest version, Sonic dice. Step 1. Put the dice in a transparent box randomly, cover with a tube, and shake it. Step 2. Remove the tube. All the dice in the box change to the numbers you want. Step 3. Repeat the first 2 steps, but without any cover.